Alright, in my previous video I have explained in detail the wiring, connections and working of an AC blower and related components. Here in this video I will explain how to replace the traditional resistive based fan speed controller with a more efficient PWM based speed controller. And why we are doing this. For this you need to view my previous video in this context, but in short it will generate less heat, and also it's more efficient and consume less power. The best place to install the speed controller could be just before the fan blower, as I'm doing in this video. And you can see, first of all you need to unplug the blower wire first. You need this type of male and female connector wire as shown, uh, and this is the best wire you can use. Secondly, this is the PWM based speed controller. As you can see, it has four connections. Basically it has and this is the third one, is the speed controller knob. And it has two connections for input, and two connections for output. And you can place it anywhere near the dashboard as per your convenience. Now, after joining the wires as shown, connect this speed controller to the blower motor, as I'll be doing here. And you can control the speed using the third speed control knob. Simply connect this to input power, and the second will be connected to the blower motor. As you can see from this bottom position, now it is connected to the blower motor. Now now we will run the blower motor. First of all, you need to now to run this module, first move the existing fan speed controller to the fourth position, and after that you can use the regulator knob of the PWM based speed controller to increase or decrease the fan speed, as you can see. And
Full speed.
it will work. But in this scenario, both the resistive and the PWM based speed controllers are controlling the blower speed simultaneously, and I can understand this. But and obviously it is not an efficient way, or it is useless. But we will see next how we can correct this, and we will correct this simply by bypassing the blower resistor. You can see this is the blow resistor over here. It's a position, it's and this is the connector wire. We will unplug this connector wire to bypass it, and to bypass we will need this type of wire connectors, and short all the wires with some jumper wires like as shown. Keep in mind the wires should be thick and have as heavy current will flow. And after doing this you need to after doing this, you can use the existing fan speed controller at any position except 0. It could be 1, 2, 3, or even 4. It make no difference. The speed will only be controlled via the installed PWM speed controller knob, as you can see. After that you can put it anywhere. Now now the best place to place the PWM speed control knob could be over here, by piercing a hole into the dashboard plastic and placing the new speed controller knob over here, while the existing knob will be placed at 1, 2, or 3, or any position other than 0. Rest for the placement, it depends upon you, where you will feel the convenience